Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to add a brand label to a blank box. Go to Filter, then select Vanishing Point. Trace the top part of the box using the Create Plane tool. Next, trace the front part of the box. Then click OK to exit. Go to the first image that you want to use and press Ctrl A, then Ctrl C. Then go to Filter, and select Vanishing Point. Click the top part, then paste your image using Ctrl V. Then click OK to exit. Next, do the same with your second image, select and copy the image. Then go to Filter, and select Vanishing Point. Click the front part and paste the image. You may resize and drag to reposition the image. Then click OK to exit. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.